In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat in Claude AI. If you want a more natural, hands-free way to interact with Claude, voice chat is a simple feature that lets you speak instead of typing. It's especially useful when you want to move quickly, explain something out loud, or just have a conversation that feels more fluid. To get started, open the existing chat you want to turn into a voice chat, or start a new chat if you'd rather begin fresh. Either option works, so just choose the conversation that makes the most sense for what you want to do. If you already have context in an ongoing chat, staying in that thread can help Claude respond based on the earlier messages. If not, a new chat is perfectly fine. Once you're inside the chat, look at the bottom right of the text field. You should see an audio waves icon. This is the voice mode button, and it's what allows you to switch from typing to speaking. Go ahead and click that icon to activate voice chat. Depending on your device or browser settings, you may be asked to allow microphone access. If that happens, make sure to approve it, otherwise voice mode won't be able to hear you. After voice mode is active, you can start using your microphone to talk to Claude AI as if you're having a conversation with a person. Just speak clearly and at a normal pace. You don't need to overcomplicate it or use any special commands. You can ask questions, explain ideas, continue a previous topic, or simply talk through what you need help with. For the best experience, it helps to be in a relatively quiet environment so your microphone can pick up your voice more accurately. If Claude doesn't seem to catch something correctly, just repeat yourself a little more clearly or shorten your sentence. Voice chat tends to work best when you speak naturally and keep your thoughts fairly direct. And that's really all there is to it. Open a chat, click the audio waves icon, and start talking. It's a quick and convenient way to use Claude AI more conversationally without needing to type everything out. Once you try it, it can make the whole experience feel faster, smoother, and more interactive.